Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem codes in Dark War Survival. Redeeming codes in Dark War Survival is a feature many players are looking forward to. But since the game is still relatively new, the developers have not yet released any official redeem codes or activated the redemption system. At the moment, there is no in-game option to enter codes, so patience is key. To stay prepared, it's best to follow Dark War Survival's official social media pages, join the Discord server, and remain active in the community, as these are usually the first place where codes are announced. Once codes are officially released, a redemption or gift code button will most likely appear in the settings or profile menu. When that update goes live, you'll be able to enter codes directly and claim rewards, so keeping an eye on future updates will ensure you don't miss out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.